Hey tech heads, welcome back to Tech Check TV, your one-stop shop for top-tier tech reviews and recommendations. Today we are bringing you 5 high-tech kitchen gadgets that will make you a master chef in 2024. Today's fast-paced world, where convenience and efficiency are paramount, the kitchen has become a hub for innovative technology aimed at revolutionizing how we prepare and enjoy our meals. From cutting-edge appliances to smart devices designed to streamline cooking processes, the modern kitchen is brimming with high-tech gadgets that cater to both amateur chefs and seasoned culinary enthusiasts alike. In this video, we'll explore the top 5 high-tech kitchen gadgets that are reshaping the way we cook, making mealtime not only more convenient but also more enjoyable than ever before. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get started at number 5. Dwelza Kitchen DKO M44586 Oil Sprayer. Say goodbye to messy spills and hello to precision pouring with Dwelza's leak-proof oil bottles. Whether you're whipping up a meal inside or hosting a cookout outdoors, this cool kitchen gadget set is your ultimate kitchen companion. With the non-drip stainless steel spout, pouring oil or vinegar becomes a breeze. No more messy countertops or overdressed salads. Just pure, precise pouring every time. And speaking of precision, the olive oil dispenser bottle comes with a convenient measuring top and graduated reservoir, ensuring your dishes have the perfect amount of oil every single time. Tired of aerosol-filled store-bought cooking sprays? Say no more. The shatter-resistant BP-free oil mister creates a delicate mist without any risky propellants, giving you peace of mind with every spray. Worried about clogs? Not with this oil sprayer. Dwelza inserted a special filter into the olive oil sprayer pump to prevent any clogging, even when your oil is infused with herbs or spices. Crafted with the finest materials and exuding an upscale feel, the oil and vinegar dispenser combines a clear glass bottle, stainless steel lid, silicone cork, and an easy-to-use pumping button. It's not just a kitchen tool, it's a statement piece. Whether you need a 17 Oz glass oil dispenser for everyday cooking or a 6 Oz oil sprayer for those delicate coatings, Dwelza got you covered. Just press, pump, and enjoy the convenience of hassle-free cooking. Pros: helps you use less oil, can be used to coat pans. Cons: can be messy if not used correctly. Number 4. Breville Joule Turbo Sous Vide Machine. I'm thrilled to introduce you to the Breville Joule Turbo Sous Vide Machine. If you're serious about elevating your cooking game, this sleek and powerful device is an absolute game changer. With its compact design and turbo speed heating capabilities, the Breville Joule makes sous vide cooking easier and more efficient than ever before. Let me show you just how easy it is to use. Simply attach the Breville Joule to any pot or container, fill it with water, place your ingredients in a vacuum-sealed bag, and let the Joule work its magic. The precision temperature control ensures that your food is cooked to perfection every time. Whether you're cooking steak, fish, vegetables, or even desserts, the Breville Joule delivers restaurant-quality results in the comfort of your own kitchen. But the Breville Joule isn't just about convenience and precision. It's also incredibly versatile, allowing you to experiment with new recipes and techniques like never before. From perfectly poached eggs to tender sous vide ribs, the possibilities are endless with the Breville Joule Turbo Sous Vide Machine. Pros: precise temperature control, compact and portable design. Cons: high price, app dependence, limited capacity. Number 3. Balmuda K6 HBK Coffee Maker. Get ready to elevate your morning ritual to a whole new level of perfection. Say goodbye to compromise. With Balmuda, every cup is crafted with precision and passion. Balmuda's innovative technology ensures that every aspect of your coffee brewing process is meticulously controlled. From the temperature regulation to the drip precision in increments as fine as 0.2 milliliters, each element is fine-tuned to perfection. The magic happens with Balmuda's precise temperature regulation. It's like having a master barista in your kitchen. And here's where Balmuda takes it to the next level: bypass pouring. This groundbreaking technique allows for optimal flavor extraction while maintaining a crystal clear aftertaste. It's coffee craftsmanship at its finest. Not only does the Bermuda coffee maker deliver unparalleled performance, but it also does so in style. Its elegant design makes it a perfect fit for any kitchen or home office, adding a touch of sophistication to your space. And the best part? It's incredibly easy to use. Just select your desired cup size, press the button, and let Bermuda work its magic. Whether you prefer a bold espresso or a smooth drip coffee, the perfect cup is just moments away. So, why settle for ordinary when you can experience extraordinary? Elevate your coffee game with the Bermuda K6 ABK coffee maker today. Pros: high-quality coffee, precise temperature control, 3 brewing modes, compact design. Cons: price. Not as fast as some other automatic coffee makers, limited capacity, difficult to clean. Number 2. Comfy MBF S5077 Rice Cooker. This isn't just any rice cooker, it's a game changer in the kitchen. Let's talk about its fuzzy logic technology. Comfy has developed an intelligent 6-step cooking process that ensures your rice turns out perfect every time. With its steam valve and inner pot, it preserves steam and heat, resulting in flawlessly fluffy rice. Now, let's talk about its premium design. The smart LED display panel makes it a breeze to select your desired settings. Plus, with features like auto keep warm for 12 hours and a 24-hour delay timer, meal prep just got a whole lot easier. And check out this cool touch handle, ensuring your safety in the kitchen. Cleaning up is a breeze too, thanks to the non-stick coating and easy-to-clean steam valve. With a whopping 10-cup capacity, this rice cooker is perfect for families, parties, or any outdoor activity. Say goodbye to undercooked or burnt rice. Last but not least, safety is a top priority with the Comfy rice cooker. The detachable power cord prevents accidents, while the lid locks firmly in place during cooking to prevent spills. Plus, the thermal fuse prevents overheating, giving you peace of mind. So, if you're ready to elevate your cooking game, be sure to check out the Comfy MBF S5077 rice cooker. Trust me, your taste buds will thank you. Pros: large capacity, multiple functions, easy to use, non-stick inner pot. Cons: no pressure cooker function, no brown rice setting, not the most durable. Number 1. Vitamix 5200 Blender. Are you tired of spending hours in the kitchen to prepare a delicious meal for your family? Introducing the Vitamix 5200, the ultimate kitchen companion that will revolutionize the way you cook. With its powerful blender technology, the Vitamix 5200 lets you create every course of your home-cooked meal, from fresh smoothies to creamy desserts, in just minutes. Let's talk about what sets the Vitamix 5200 apart. First up, its variable speed control. With 10 adjustable speeds, you have the flexibility to achieve the perfect texture for your recipes. Plus, you can adjust the speed at any point during the blend, giving you complete control over your culinary creations. The 64-ounce container is another highlight of the Vitamix 5200. Its size and shape are perfect for blending both small and large batches, making meal prep a breeze. And get this, with the Vitamix 5200, you can make hot soup right in the blender. Thanks to its high-speed blades, cold ingredients are transformed into steaming hot soup in just about 6 minutes. But what truly sets the Vitamix 5200 apart is its ability to deliver the smoothest texture possible. The patented design and hardened stainless steel blades ensure that every ingredient, even the tiniest seeds, are pulverized to perfection. And cleaning up? A breeze. With just a drop of dish soap and warm water, your Vitamix 5200 can clean itself in 30 to 60 seconds, saving you precious time in the kitchen. Vitamix 5200 blending innovation with convenience for the perfect dining experience. Pros: powerful motor, durable construction, versatile, long warranty. Cons: price, noise, no presets. And there you have it, our top 5 high-tech kitchen gadgets. Which one caught your eye? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel for more reviews and recommendations. Until next time, happy brewing!